Ciao friends, this is Esther
Alfred here.
of You, Me, and Sicily, and we have another episode of Messages of Hope from across Italy. We start out with the professor of economics from the University of Catania, Rosario Faraci.
Then we're going to talk to my Sicilian daughter, Katia, who really knows the tourism industry and what the impact has been here. Very interesting.
And then we go to Milan.
Then we'll go to Milan. We're going to talk to my friend Marco from the Rhinos Milano football team, pro football team. Great guy. And he has a little surprise for you, too.
And then our friends Anne-Marie and Mike.
Mike, the beer and cigar aficionado, my pal.
And Anne-Marie, the vino. We're the vino girls.
There you certainly are.
Okay, and then we're going to go to Juliana. She's a University of Catania student, and we finish off with a message you have to stay all the way through to listen to this 9-year-old girl, Madeline, from Georgia. She's got an important message for you.
It's a bad time. There is a global war against an invisible enemy, the coronavirus, so we need to stay home. I'm a professor, so I'm teaching online, keeping in touch with my students every day, doing everything from my computer. This is what we call smart working, but it's a good way also to stay in touch with a lot of people that I didn't have the chance to meet before. We say in Italian andrà tutto bene, so everything will be better, and this is my hope, and I wish all the best to my friends and to my American friends. Ciao, andrà tutto bene.
I won't just send you some love. I know that it's a difficult period for everybody. The number is increasing, unfortunately, but it's not a disaster. This because all you people have to stay at home and to stay safe. It's very important. It's a kind of war, but it's a different war. Because today we have Wi-Fi, music, television, food. So it's good to wake up in the morning and have one goal for the day. We must fight. How? Easy. We say it all the time. Stay at home, please. Work from home. You have tablet or PC. You can study. You can do video call with your friends just to talk and see each other. You can try to go outside just one time per week and stay safe. So put your mask, put your gloves. When you come back at home, take off your shoes and wash your hand. Follow the rules. Do something that help your mind. It's very important to do every day 1 hour of exercise. Remind to yourself what you can control, what you can't control. So remember, guys, it's just a period. Stay strong, stay at home, and see you in Sicily, I hope very soon. Ciao!
Okay, the first thing is, let me introduce my friend Wilson as my companion during those quarantine days at home. And, sorry? Oh, you got it right. I want to say hello to everybody. And, okay, just a quick message to everybody. Please follow only the official channel for the during this disease epidemic, because it's the only, those are the only channel that can give you the real situation about what happened. Don't trust in fake news. It's something that you can read too much during those days. But anyway, let me say something, Alfred. One thing that is really, bother me is that the barber shop are closed, isn't it? Oh, sorry, you're bold. And yeah, just to be, funny and just to give you some smile. But what I can tell you is, please stay at home. Respect the rules. It is very important. And anytime you want a real situation, please refer to the official channel. Okay, so A big hug, virtual hug, and a big kiss to everybody. Ciao.
We
See
are
you next
stationed
time.
over here in Sicily at the Naval Air Station, and just wanted to let you know we are thinking of you as it's your turn now to deal with quite more serious problems of this virus over on the American side. Here in Sicily, it's gotten quite a bit better because people are listening to the social distancing laws. We are very limited to what we're allowed to do as far as only a grocery store in our town and going to work or going to the hospital. But this has made a huge difference, and we really hope you all listen to what your president and what your mayors and your representatives are telling you to do, because it's worth it in the end so that this virus does go away. We are thinking of you all, and I would say stock up on games, do lots of FaceTime. Of course, a lot of people will get caught up on Netflix, but love your family, and that's the part that we miss the most, is just being with our families. And your turn.
Naval Air Station Sigonella is on the island of Sicily. Sicily, of course, is the ball at the end of the boot for mainland Italy. Most of the issues that are happening with COVID-19, of course, up north, but unfortunately some people broke out of that and came down south. It's very, very important on the social distancing, and that's what I'm going to focus on. When you're being advised by the CDC or your mayors or your governors to stay a distance of 1 meter, 2 meter, to not social interact and go to the beach, please follow that advice. Please don't go do that. It's very important how quickly this spreads. So please stay away from others. Stay at home. I hate to say it, even stay away from the kids at home as much as possible. Wash your hands multiple times. But it's very important. Italy did not follow that, and the social distancing is coming and hurt us now. Don't want to see the U.S. going the same way. So best wishes, good luck, and stay apart, but stay together here.
During my quarantine, I decided to read books that before I couldn't read for lack of time, and now that I have a lot of free time, I speak more with my friends through a video call. And with my mom, because I'm living with my mom during these days, and we have more time to speak together and to discover what we like more doing. And I think that when we finally can go out, the first thing I want to do is going to the seaside, because I can't see the sea from my house, so I think this is the first thing I will do for sure, because I miss the sea a lot. And I am hopeful. I think that after all, we will appreciate more things that we usually do, and we will appreciate more the time we can stay with our friends and with people we love.
If you're happy and you know, wash your hands. If you're happy and you know, stay at home. If you're happy and you know, going out will really blow it. If you're happy and you know, stay at home.
Hope you enjoyed this episode of You, Me, and Sicily. We did publish another one with more messages of hope. We also have over 50 videos on Sicily on our YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe.
Oh, don't forget our Facebook page.
You, Me, and Sicily. Let us know what you want to hear more about from Sicily, okay? Ciao. Thanks for watching.
Ciao. God bless you.